creating an assignment. Within the area that you're posting your new assignment, click Assessments and then select Assignment. Next, name your assignment. Next, type in your directions. Notice you have the same tools as in any other word processing screen within Blackboard. You can very easily upload a document as you would normally, or you could simply type. Next, we are going to set the assessment value. Scrolling down to the grading section, you've seen I've typed in the value. Now this is very important. All assessments, discussions, quizzes, tests, or assignments like this one are to be set to 100. Grade calculation is accurate when this is done for all assessments. Next, we'll scroll down and click on the submission options in the grading section. You will see many options here. The first one we can see and we will look at is the number of attempts. What we have here is a pull-down menu which allows you to decide between single, multiple, unlimited student attempts. Notice that by default it is set to single attempts. We will now look at the Plagiarism Safe Assign option. What this does is it allows your students to their work to be checked on the internet and weighed against other internet entities to display whether or not, via percentages, students may or may not actually have taken data from other websites. To activate this feature, check the checkbox which is called Check Submissions for Plagiarism using Safe Assign, like this. You'll notice there are two more checkboxes. One is to allow students to view the Safe Assign Originality Report. I would recommend you check this one. The other is Exclude Submissions from Institutional and Global Resources Databases. Next, we'll take a look at the availability options in this area. These settings determine whether or not the assignments will be available, when they will be available, and for how long they will be available. To make the assignment available, simply check the box. You'll notice by default this box is always checked, so assignments are available by default. Next, you'll have the option of setting availability for specific times, and that is done in this area. To set the time, you can set the specific date when the item will be available. And you can also set the time. Likewise, you can also set the date and time that the item becomes unavailable. When you've made your selections, simply click Submit. Once you've created this assignment, it automatically populates in the Grade Center and is assigned the assignment category.